Hey, it's No Shave November. I got my Andrew Luck beard going, and I'm ready to talk money and finance with the Assistant Vice President of Business and Community Development, Kim Walker from Former Credit Union. Let's get started. Kim, welcome to the show. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Matt.
Can you tell the people what is the difference between a credit union and a bank?
Okay, the difference between credit union and a bank is with a credit union, we're cooperative. So when people come in, use accounts, use deposits, take out loans, actually be a part of the credit union, be an actual member of the credit union, then that gives us the ability to do the loans and the deposits, because with a credit union, we're not for profit. We make profit, but that goes back out to the people that have accounts with us in lower interest rates, higher dividend rates, and lower fees than what the banks offer. We have a board of directors, but they are volunteer board of directors. So they're not paid. And with a bank, they have stockholders. That's where the profits go. They're there to make money. We're here to service the people that have accounts with us. And that's why we call them members and not customers. They're a part of the credit union. It's a relationship that we build together and take care of each other. And you're an owner. When you are a member of the credit union, you're my boss. So I try to make you as happy as possible to do all the things that you need and to help you live your financial dream.
That's right. I'm your boss. Kim, can you tell me some ways that small businesses, medium-sized businesses can get some capital, some seed money from their financial institution?
So many financial institutions have all different kinds of lending services, products. A lot of times people think of the SBA, and there are different kinds of SBA loans. So you don't have to, I can only have an SBA if I need this, that, or the other. There's like a 504, a Express SBA loans, Patriot Express. So there's different kinds of options. So that's one of the avenues that people can take for operating capital. And there are all types of loans that you can do. I know at Forum, we go from $5,000 up to $5 million. So looking at that, what are your needs, and sitting down and having that discussion. But yeah, I mean, people, banks, credit unions, whoever, definitely are lending. I know a few years ago, it seemed like everything was so tight, and maybe we heard on the news and the media, banks aren't lending and this, that is happening. But I mean, we're doing loans. Everybody's trying to do that, and we're really excited about doing that and trying to help the business do what they need. There are equipment loans that people can take out, construction loans, real estate. So a lot of options for small as well as medium-sized companies. Just what are you looking for? What do you need? Having that conversation.
Speaking of loans, what do financial institutions, your institution, look for when people are applying for these loans?
It entails some paperwork and some information gathering, looking at personal financial statements, business financial statements, running credit reports on owners, things like that. It's not a quick process necessarily. I mean, if it's a good sized loan, it's going to take some time. There are appraisals and different regulatory things that we have to go through, looking at loans, just depending on the type of loan. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. You've got to get the big picture of what the people are personally, how they're set, and then also on the financials of the business as well. So, credit report, credit scores, I mean, still really important. I think people kind of forget that it is a credit report you're looking at. If you're looking at a business loan or insurance or whatever, you want to try to keep your credit score as high as you possibly can. And there's all sorts of ways to increase it, or if you've had problems in the past, how you can work on that. There's financial institutions provide all kinds of information on that, and I know we do as well. We actually have a seminar on it, on credit reports, so we try to help. So it is really important to look at your whole financial picture and try to get that all laid out, and going to a CPA or financial planner, someone that can, I need help to be able to give this to my financial institution to get the loan, because you want to present it all complete and put your best foot forward when you're applying for that. So you want to think about that. before you apply.
Thank you for answering all those questions. It's great information.
Thank you.
If you want to see all of Kim's answers, go to groundfloorcreative.com to see her other answers for other questions we had during the interview. Now we're going on to the Express 7. You ready for this?
Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm
going to ask
ready.
you 7 questions.
7 questions.
And you need
Top
to
of my head.
ask as
All right.
fast as you can.
All right.
Are you ready?
Ready.
You know, it's no-grow, November, Movember, however you want to say it, right? So just some of the questions lend themselves to that, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Bald or hairy as a Sasquatch? Either or.
Bald.
Bald, all right. Favorite hair color?
Red.
Red. If you could not shave one of these 2 things, which one would it be? Would you want to not shave your armpits or not shave your legs?
Wow. Oh.
I know.
Armpits, because they're smaller, I guess.
So you go European?
That's a gross, yeah.
It look like you have someone in a headlock?
Yeah.
If I gave you, someone in the financial world,
Yeah.
$10 million right now,
Right now.
what would you buy?
I would buy my whole entire family's homes off so that they could live in their
Wow.
home and not have to worry about it.
I-
Then I would go to Tahiti.
I'm sorry, I don't have $10 million, so.
Oh.
But that's great.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, that's fine. Best thing that happened to you this week?
This week, oh gosh, let me think. A lot of good things.
But I only want the best one. I don't
Some
want
good hair days. Had some good hair days going this week with the new cut. I was pretty happy about that.
Nice, looking good.
Yeah, thanks. My husband was off a couple of days and he had some honey to-dos and he did them, and that was really fabulous.
That's a win.
And also, dinner was made for me. It was like ready when I got home. So that was pretty sweet.
That one wins.
That one, yeah. So
what
yeah,
was it?
It was.
McDonald's.
Yeah. I don't know, some meat, I don't know, with rice. I don't know.
Very memorable. That's what it was. Very memorable.
And it was done. I ate it. It was good.
Was it delicious?
It was delicious. It was all right.
But I ate it.
I ate it.
Would you rather wrestle a bear or fight a shark?
Fight a shark. I knew that one right away.
I know.
Yeah.
Would you rather watch 50 Shades of Grey or read 50 Shades of Grey?
None of that. That's dirty.
That's it. That's all we have time for. Thank you to Kim Walker from
Thank
Forum
you,
Credit
Matt.
Union. And we'll see you next time on the ground floor.
Well, I don't celebrate Thanksgiving. So.
What do you mean you don't celebrate Thanksgiving?